Hi, today we're going to see how to use the name and split function in a real case study with my homeworks that I've done during the expression session on School of Motion. So as you can see, we have a composition with three different null objects and one shape layer that has 3 bars in it. So each slider inside the null object controls 1 bar. So we have the bar represented by Mac, the other one with PC, and the other one with other. The most important thing here is that when I duplicate the shape layer with the 3 bars, we also duplicate it with the expressions on it, but the thing is still attached to the old sliders control, so 2D artist, 2D artist, and 2D artist for Mac, PC, and other. But we want to be able to duplicate without the need to go inside the code and replace the name of the sliders. The great thing about these functions is that I just have to rig one set of bars, and then I will just need to duplicate the shape layer and rename 2D artist to 3D artist, and another one for, let's say, editor, another one for compositor, etc., etc. The expression this layer that name will give us the name of a layer, and the split function will break the text apart into an array. Now it's time to create other sliders control. So for each size property, we're gonna create a new variable called roll this layer that name that splits, and inside the parentheses quotes and space dash space. So we have an array, and we take the first value of the array, which is 0, and then in the Y we're going to change the 2D artists to row, and we don't need to put that in quotes because it's an array and not text. Here nothing changed, that's good, because if we, it's still working. So now we just need to do the same thing for all the size for PC and other, so might as well do it by hand. Yeah, it's still working. And then let's do it for the other. It's working. So now we have a more modular code. We can just duplicate the shapes into 3D artists, and then we'll see if it's working. Duplicate here. Be careful to not have any space when you, because it takes space into account. Modify the color into a yellow one. Move it on the x-axis, and let's see if it's working. So 3 artists. Yep, it's working. Let me PC working, and other, it's working. Thank you.